हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल रिफर्स सॉल्यूशन। फ्रेंड्स, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है कैरिब मार्स। तो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो मेरे चैनल को लाइक कर दें, सब्सक्राइब कर दें और साथ ही बेल आइकन पर प्रेस कर दें ताकि फ्यूचर में आने वाली मेरी तमाम वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। फ्रेंड्स, टाइम वेस्ट किए बगैर हम अपनी वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। कैरिब मार्स ऑटो बोस्ट हाइपर डेफ्लेशन टू बी अ हब फॉर आर्ट, एसएनएस, टैलेंट, गेम एंड क्रिप्टो. At Caribmars Finance, you can enjoy it at NFT market and games and DEX experience fun things together. Public sale on 21 August 2113 UTC and DX sale. Carib Sea NFT market Masa lottery DX coming soon. Carib binary option beta CPU mining. Why Carib Mars? AutoBoost function. AutoBoost is a one-of-a-kind function that has been built into Carib Mars contract. Carib Mars token mathematically does variable buybacks which adjust based on volume in order to maintain stability. Earn with NFT and gaming and DeFi. At Carib Mars, you can enjoy buying and selling NFTs on the NFT marketplace where you can upload and buy and sell products, and you can make a profit and enjoy playing with formal gaming with a gaming license. Hyperdeflation. Every time you make a purchase a hyperdeflation system will be introduced to bring more benefits to the members. Carib Mars carry out missions to help animals and the environment. High API in DEX. You can stack Carib token with a high API while maintaining stability with harvest locked and anti-whale features. NFT leading and NFT liquidity pool will be coming to Carib DEX. Ethereum Binance Chain BSC Scan, a product of Etherscan Tech Rate Audit Report. Carib Mars will be listed soon at PancakeSwap CoinTiger. Carib Seed NFT platform where Carib Mars is used. Digital assist and buy sell content such as digitally art, music, manga, professional cook recipe, love NFT secured by physical assist. You can create your own NFT easily and can buy also your favorite NFT. Go to Caribsea.io. Assetize yourself. You can assetize yourself by authenticated Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Weibo, Medium NFT. No fake account corresponding. More social media will come. Go to Caribsea.io. Multi-chain and stacking currently compatible with Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, and we will connect more chains. Issue your NFT token with ERC721, ERC1155, sell or buy NFT to stack Carib Mars with NFT. Go to Caribsea.io. Auto boost of Carib Mars means buyback and burn. If it supports long-term price stability and value growth, this feature means that every sell is followed by an automated buy so that large sell-offs become much less prevalent. How it works. Liquidity fees are collected into the contract. For AutoBoost, liquidity fees of our tokens are swapped with BNB marketing. BNB fee is sent to the marketing address. There are buyback sell limit maximum BNB amount per buying and buyback range rate the range percentage of BNB amount per buying. Carib Mars auto boost function is built mathematically to do variable buybacks which adjust based on volume in order to maintain stability, and buying BNB amount will generate a random number between 80% 100% of buyback sell limit, then both tokens will be burnt. This is a one of a kind function which is more powerful than just a standard buyback token. How to buy with Trust Wallet. Download Trust Wallet, visit Trust Wallet website and download the application from her. The app is secure and wide used in the DeFi market. Never share your seed phrase to anyone else. Fund your wallet. Purchase BNB or BSC Binance Smart Chain to fund your wallet. These coins are used in the Binance Smart Chain. Connect Trust Wallet via Wallet Connect. Go to PancakeSwap website. From here, tap Wallet Connect in Connect Wallet button. You will see Trust Wallet logo and tap to connect to PancakeSwap. Swap for Carib Mars. Go to D app and click on PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap in an exchange allows users to swap with other DeFi coins. Click select a currency and enter the contract address of Carib Mars. Carib Mars recommended slippage 13.22%. Carib Mars has come to an Nasdaq billboard in Times Square, NYC. Carib Mars Finance has appeared on the main billboard of Times Square in New York on August 17, a famous billboard with the Nasdaq logo. We are delighted that the billboard AD, one of the milestones of Carib Mars Finance, has been approved. We will carry out public relation activities to make Carib Mars Finance known to as many people as possible. New York City. MASA project is coming, not NASA. MASA is a project code name of Mars NFT shopping application. NFT objects are arranged at arbitrary coordinates on the surface of Mars based on the data sent from the web server. When an NFT object is assessed, information about its token ID, smart contract address, owner info, etc. is displayed, and the operation corresponding to the NFT can be performed. You currently location on Mars through the mini map. The NFT related operation is bundled with data in a certain format and transmitted to the web server, and new data are updated based on it. This project is characterized by a simple face-to-face part and a unique aspect, and it will be widely popular among users because it is made with the unique idea of the NFT marketplace in Mars. In the future, we will try to realize a more diverse and unique virtual environment through the updated version. You will get information about products in the store by clicking on them. In the next edition, we will perform various service for million online stores using augmented reality. Carib Kuma story. Carib Kuma used the name Carib with the hope that the treasure could be found in the services of Carib Mars Finance, like the treasure that sleeps in a pirate ship in the Caribbean Sea. Also, there are two reasons for using bear in meme. One is that Carib Mars are loved even during the bear market and financial terms when used when the market experience price declines. The other is that bears are cute as represented by Winnie the Pooh, and Carib Kuma was born by combining the word Kuma, which means bear in Japanese, with Carib. On Twitter and Instagram, Carib Kuma adds Kuma at the end of the word due to the destruction of ecosystem, overfishing of fur, gallbladder and manual purpose, and extermination the population and restricted black bears and rivers, and is a danger in many areas. Polar bears, who spend most of their lives on sea ice of feed, rest and rise, children are on the verge of extinction as the Arctic ice melts due to global warming. Over the last 3 decades, 70% of the Arctic summer sea ice has disappeared, and the smaller polar bears have become smaller, halving their number in the last decade. Carib Kuma will support the environment and animals through charity etc. while conveying the feeling of such animals. Regards, Kuma. Decentralized lottery, dice, roulette, and more games under gaming license in Costa Rica will come. Scribe will Carib DX get Carib with airdrop, farming and poll, and launch. High APY can be achieved in farming and polling as a unique feature. A deflation model is adopted to suppress inflation. A blockchain project or organization can launch a project and stack Carib tokens to receive tokens for the project. Anti-whale and harvest lockup transfer greater than 0.5% of total supply are rejected to prevent dumps. Harvest lockup is a unique reward lockup mechanism used to limit the frequency of harvest. It is designed to prevent agriculture arbitrage boats from constantly harvesting and dumping. Entertainment. Under the Costa Rican government's gaming license, we offer games, lottery, and binary option to provide entertainment to our users. The income is used for buyback of Carib Mars and Carib NFT liquidity pool and lending. With upcoming NFT and DX feature, you can borrow cryptocurrencies with your NFT. You will earn with lending your cryptocurrencies lender. The NFT liquidity pool will be coming to our DX. Carib Mars token information. Welcome to Carib Mars Finance. Be a Carib soldier. Get Carib token with airdrop, which will be given to Carib Mars holders. Token name Carib Mars, ticker Carib Mars, contract address decimal 9 total supply chain, Binance Smart Chain, buy fees. Reflection to holders 2%, marketing development 4%, auto boost function 6%, sell fees. Reflection of holders 5%, marketing development 4%, auto boost function 6%. Token distribution burn 4.47%, team 3.89%, NFT and game rewards 3.89%, airdrop 3.89%, private sale 19.96%, pre-sale 34.5%, liquidity pool 29.42%. Charity, we are 100% community driven and crazy about the community. We strive to build a top class community with the best members who are part of the evolution of Carib Mars. Join the Carib Mars movement and help donate to animal shelters, environmental protection artists, groups, and more around the world. We can help afflicted animals and people regain their lives in a safe place. The community will vote and decide which charity to donate to. Charity donations are made from the marketing wallet. We made a donation to Seed Madagascar. We made a small but first donation of Seed Madagascar's sustainable environment, education, and development in Madagascar through Carib Mars Finance. We would like to contribute to the protection of the earth, animals, and artist group through more donation. Seed Madagascar's team members: Mirza Mole, smart contract developer; Minidog, contract developer, handsome and macho; Sohan, marketing, handsome; Dairy Flores, creator and recruiting, handsome; Victor Silok, Daffy King, roadmap, project starts. Carib Mars team has started project on 19 April 2021. DX testing starts. DX based on BSC Binance Smart Chain in completed on 28 April 2021 and Carib team has started testing. NFT marketplace development has started. Carib Mars team has started fully development for NFT marketplace on 20 April 2021. Carib Mars team are scheduling to launch testnet on July or August. Carib Mars token development started. Carib Mars team have started development of Carib Mars token for NFT marketplace in May 2021. Data processing license in Costa Rica. Partnering with Prestigious Games SA, which holds a data processing license issued by the Costa Rican government. Everything including reports, sports, poker, sports betting, lottery, bingo, horse racing, bitcoins, fantasy sports, agility games, and other games activities. We can legally provide online gaming services. Website launch. We have launched our website on 4 June 2021. Audit started. After finalizing all the DEX testing and Carib Mars token, we have started audit in July. Release beta version of binary option. We have launched beta version of binary option market. NFT marketplace Carib CIO has been released. Carib Mars team has released beta version of NFT marketplace HTTPS Carib CIO. Billboard in Times Square. Carib Mars Finance will appear in Times Square, New York. Carib Mars Finance and Carib Kuma are coming to the main billboard with the Nasdaq logo. Public sale and PancakeSwap listing. Carib Mars Finance will do public sales at the DX sale network. In this public sale, 90% of token sale is used as liquidity in PancakeSwap to make enough liquidity and build trust with community. We only take 10% for project development fee. After public sale, we will list it on PancakeSwap CX listing. Carib Mars token will be listed on CoinTiger at First Central Exchange. Airdrop of Carib or to Carib Mars holder. Carib Mars team is planning to airdrop the Carib token, which is used in DX, to the Carib Mars holder. It is scheduled after September of 2021 game release. Carib Mars team will release at least 3 games after September 2021 Masa launch. Carib Mars team is developing Masa project to take user to Mars. Fun things, more fun may happen. फ्रेंड्स, आज की हमारी वीडियो यहीं पर ख़त्म होती है. अगली वीडियो में आने तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.